Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing. You need the correct replacement battery and basic tools: precision drivers, spudger, heat gun, and soldering iron. Once ready, power down and unpair the Airpods from any device so no signals interfere. Make sure you work on an ESD mat with good light. This reduces static and keeps small parts safe. Now apply controlled heat to soften adhesive, and using a thin spudger, pry at the seam. Go slow to avoid deforming the plastic shell. Once open, you'll access the internal board. Identify and gently desolder the battery leads, documenting which lead is positive and which is negative. Afterwards, position the new battery in the cavity so it sits flush and does not stress connectors. Resolder with minimal heat and use flux for a clean joint. Make sure polarity matches what you documented. Once reconnected, briefly power the case to confirm the charging circuit and LED respond. This avoids resealing a faulty unit. After successful testing, replace any adhesive strips or clips and align the hinge before snapping the shell closed. Then reinsert screws, but don't over-tighten. Charge the case fully and repair your Airpods. You should run a few charge-discharge cycles so the indicator recalibrates. If the case fails to charge or shows erratic LED behavior, check solder joints and battery voltage first, then reseat connectors. If problems persist, try a soft reset or revisit the wiring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.